One of the nice things about the JCC platform is how easy it is to modify this machine, whether it's your existing parts. We had a customer, their machining changed on this part, so now the chips are different and the condition isn't the same. So, they call up Sugino, what do we do? It's easy. Let's go in, let's look at your NC program, let's change it, let's add some dwell here, some feed there, take it out, take a look at the results. Okay, that seems to be addressing our problem or not. And it's real easy to do back and forth to change those things. It's just a couple buttons on the FANUC and you're good to go. As far as retooling, when you get some videos of looking in our machine, the way we set up, we've kind of got a base plate that's hollow in the middle. We only typically get one chance per setup. Machining guys, they always get op 10, op 20, maybe more. We get one op typically. And so we got to hit all 6 sides of this part in one setup. So the way we fixture it, it's open. We don't need to have all the force that your machining center guys do with the hydraulic forces of clamping. We're typically clamping 98% of our parts with pneumatic clamps only. Again, we don't need the force. We're not actually ever hitting the part, putting those machining forces into our machine. So as long as those clampers can hold it and spin it around, we're good.